Welcome back into this new video, guys, of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how to get started with the monetization of the TikTok. So the first thing to do, of course, is to get started with the TikTok Creator Reward Program. The Creator Reward Program is the platform primary way to pay creators directly based on the video performance. So, for example, you must be at least 18 years old. You must have an account in good standard. You must have at least 10,000 followers. You must have at least I believe 100,000 video views into the last 30 days, and videos must be 1 minute longer to be eligible for the rewards. To get started with this element, you can open a new tab and let's go for the TikTok. I believe it is called Creator Reward Programs or the affiliation programs. So here is the Creator Rewards Program. It says join the element like this. And we are now directly inside the TikTok Creator Program. So here are the few prerequisites in order to continue, and you can see that here are the FIQ elements, right? So once if you of course have the eligibility for all of these elements, we can now start by joining this program. If not, we can just start totally from scratch. But basically here directly into the rewards for original content for the video. That's where we can join the Creator Rewards Program. Here you have a community and all of those. We can go for selecting the studio Creator Rewards Program and apply. You hear back for 3 days, and that will be actually it. That means that if I go directly into my profile and go for my settings, you choose the TikTok studio, and you might be now having all of this information directly in here. So this is one way how we can actually get started to earn money directly into TikTok. The second way, for example, is by going, of course, with the brand partnerships and the sponsorships. This is often the most lucrative way to monetize even if you don't have millions of followers, because you can join the TikTok Creator Marketplace. The TikTok Creator Marketplace basically is an official platform that connects let's say brands looking for creators with eligible users. So we have proactive pitching, and that means, for example, that if you wanted of course to get started with this element, what you can do is of course to create a media kit. Brands value creators who have highly engaged audience in a specific niche, and the pricing, you make your rates and not follow an account, and they actually make the process with you if you wanted to. This is for small businesses, large businesses, and even an actual agency. And of course, something else that you can do is to sell products into your own products, into services, into TikTok. So using your TikTok audience to drive sales for your business is highly effective. For example, the TikTok shop. If you meet the eligibility, of course, you can set up a storefront directly on your profile, allowing users to purchase product without leaving the application. So you can promote these products in your videos and into the live streams. So sell branded appeal stickers or accessories based into your channel's unique branding, slogans or characters. You can sell ebooks, you can sell online courses, you can go for coaching, consulting, the elements, the course, and you can direct traffic to a link directly into your bio. Which reminds me something else, which is the affiliation marketing. The affiliation marketing involves promoting an actual product using a unique linked code. For example, purchase this specific product that we see here directly here into TikTok. Just click below into the links that we see here. This is the actual affiliate marketing, and that's how we can actually get started. Or even something else you can do is to try out the TikTok Live. Now the TikTok Live is, for example, you can earn money from most royal viewers during the actual live stream. You can of course, when the viewers go live, viewers can purchase virtual gifts and give them to you. You can convert these gifts into diamonds, which can be exchanged for real cash. So take that in mind when you want to generate this kind of elements from the TikTok stuff, right? So I believe that the last solution could be, for example, funding for monetization. So regardless of the method you choose, you can successfully monetization requires find your actual niche. Focus into a specific topic, guys, to attract a dedicated and valuable audience, and post content regularly to keep your audience engaged and stay relevant to the algorithm. This is going to be really and crucially important, right? So And lastly, of course, the high engagement, focusing to content that encourages likes, comments, and shows metrics which are brands and the creator rewards program value the most. So with that in mind, guys, we have now reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you wanted to see these kinds of videos directly here into the TechSpress elements. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all of this information, we can all see you guys next time.